Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the ins and outs of travel rewards to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling something super exciting: how to redeem your KrisFlyer miles using your HSBC account in 2025. If you're a frequent flyer with Singapore Airlines or part of the KrisFlyer program, this guide will help you turn those hard-earned miles into amazing trips without any hassle. First things first, make sure you have your HSBC account set up and linked to your KrisFlyer membership. It's crucial because this integration allows seamless transfers. Start by logging into your HSBC online banking portal. Once you're in, navigate to the Rewards or Miles and Points section. It's usually easy to find in the dashboard. Next, select the option to redeem rewards. You'll see a list of partners, and that's where KrisFlyer comes in. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to choose your redemption type. Options might include booking flights, upgrading seats, or even getting travel vouchers. For 2025, HSBC has streamlined this process, so pick what suits you best, like redeeming for an economy to business class upgrade on your next long-haul flight. Now, enter the details: how many miles you want to use, your KrisFlyer account number, and the specific flight or reward you're eyeing. Double-check everything to avoid any errors. Nothing worse than missing out on that dream vacation. Once you're satisfied, hit Confirm and wait for the confirmation email. It usually takes just a few minutes to process. A quick tip: always check for any promotional bonuses in 2025, as HSBC sometimes offers extra miles or bonus redemptions during peak seasons. And remember, miles expire, so don't let them sit idle. There you have it. That's how you redeem your KrisFlyer miles with HSBC in 2025. It's straightforward once you know the steps, and you'll be jet-setting in no time. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel hacks, and drop your questions in the comments below. Safe travels, everyone. See you in the next one.